to doodle with Fatima. Today, I am using my Faber-Castell pencils and Camlin brush pens. Let's start coloring this cute little boy with balloons. First, we are going to color his face and hands, which is in light peach shade. Let's color his hair now, which is in yellow color. Let's start coloring his t-shirt, which is in green color. Let's color his pants now, blue color. Let's color his shoes, brown color. Let's color the balloons now, red, green, pink, yellow and dark blue. This cute little boy is ready now. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you won't miss my future updates. Bye bye.